Today we'll look at a new feature in Word 2013 called Simple Markup. Simple Markup is an addition to Word's Track Changes feature. In previous versions of Word, Track Changes screens have often been cluttered and difficult to read, difficult to edit. Simple Markup reduces the clutter and makes it easier to collaborate with others on documents. Let's take a closer look at this feature. We'll start by turning on Track Changes on the Review tab of the ribbon. I'll click the Track Changes button and notice that Simple Markup is the default view in Track Changes. We'll take a look at some of these other views a little bit later. Let's make some changes to the document. I'll format the title as a heading 1. I'm going to delete the first paragraph. I'll click into the document and add some text. I'll add some simple formatting. And I'll add a comment at the end of the first paragraph. In order to do that, I'm going to go back to the Review tab and click the New Comment button. And then click away from the comment. Notice that in Simple Markup View, Word adds red vertical lines in the left margin to show where changes have been made to the document, and small balloons in the right margin to show comments. To view the comment, simply click it. Another useful addition to Track Changes in this version of Word is the ability to reply to comments. I'll click the reply icon in the comment and type a quick reply, and then click away from the comment. If I want to show comments without showing all of the other markup, I can click the Show Comments button on the Reviewing ribbon. To see all the edits in the document, I can either click one of the red lines in the left margin, or I can choose All Markup from the menu on the Track Changes section of the Review ribbon. All Markup view was the former default Track Changes view in previous versions of Word. As you can see, the new Simple Markup view is much easier to work with, even in simple documents like this one. But let's take a look at a document with more edits. The document opens in Simple Markup view, but let's switch to All Markup to see what's really there. As you can see, the All Markup view, which was the default view in previous versions of Word, can be very cluttered and difficult to navigate or work with. You can view the details of each edit by displaying the Reviewing pane. To do that, simply click the Reviewing pane button in the Tracking section of the Review tab of the ribbon. The Reviewing pane can be displayed vertically on the left side of the page or horizontally at the bottom of the page. Let's turn off the Reviewing pane and return to the document. Word has also retained two other views in Track Changes from previous versions. You can use the menu on the Review tab to select No Markup. This view shows your final document after all the changes have been made. You can also use the menu to select Original, which shows your original document before any changes were made. Let's switch back to All Markup. Finally, you can accept or reject your changes the same way you did in previous versions of Word by going through each edit one at a time, or by accepting or rejecting all changes in the document.